In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a link to a PDF. This is a quick, reliable way to save web pages like articles, receipts, or tutorials as a document you can share, print, or keep offline. You won't need to install anything, just a browser and an internet connection. First, open your browser and search for a tool using the phrase Web Page to PDF Converter. You'll see several options. Choose a reputable site that looks clean and straightforward. You shouldn't need to sign up or grant special permissions for this simple task. If you see a lot of pop-ups or anything that looks suspicious, back out and pick another tool. Free converters are common and work well for most pages. Next, get the link you want to convert. Go to the web page, then copy the full address from your browser's address bar. Make sure it's the exact page you want saved and that it's publicly accessible. Pages behind logins or paywalls may not convert correctly. Now return to the converter site and paste your link into the input box. Double check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link and that the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS so the tool can fetch it properly. Now start the conversion. Look for a button labeled Convert, Go, or Create PDF and click it. The tool will load the page and render it as a PDF. This might take a few seconds, especially for long or image-heavy pages. Some converters offer optional settings like page size or margins. If you're in a hurry, you can skip these and use the default settings. If a preview appears, scan it briefly to confirm the content looks right. Finally, download your PDF. Click the download button and save the file to a folder you'll remember. It's a good idea to rename the file to something descriptive, like the article title and date. Open the PDF to make sure everything looks correct. Text should be readable, images should appear, and links, if preserved, should be clickable. If parts of the page are cut off or missing, try running the conversion again or use a different converter. Results can vary slightly between tools. That's all there is to it. Search for a web page to PDF converter, paste your link, click Convert, and download the PDF. With these simple steps, you can quickly capture and keep any public web page in a neat, portable format. Thanks for watching, and happy converting!